Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so let's start with the next 1,200. Guys, this is Ganex 1200. This had been on downtrend for long, but it had been struggling to go back into an uptrend. Made an attempt to go back into an uptrend at this support zone, went up for a while, but came back down to break out below this support zone. Okay, and it got to a new support zone, made another attempt to go back on buy trend on uptrend, and it got to this particular spot, and it came back down again to break out. I mean, to get to try out this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this actually made us missed out from one of the signals we posted on the Telegram. Okay, because it didn't go to an uptrend fully. It came back down, and of course hitting the stop loss. Okay, sorry about that. It happens like that once in a while. Okay, so this has actually got into the support zone at this moment. If it breaks out below here, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend and may likely get to this region. And if it breaks out above this, it will get to this region. That is if it does not break out below this support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below this support zone. So we should understand that. Okay, next about that. Next, our asset is going to be Ganex 999. Okay, let's check it out together. This is Ganex 999. It actually came on downtrend, got to this particular support zone, was unable to break out below there, so it went back on uptrend and it didn't go too far before turning around again. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be 1,200. Again, Paynex 1,200. It had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting here, it decided to go down for a while, but it didn't go too far before going back up. But right now, it will be going again and may likely get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, so that is for Paynex 1,200. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out above it, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now, but may likely try out this resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. However, we expect more selling than a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It's been on downtrend for a while, but has not been able to break out below this support zone, and it's played around this region for a while, but right now it's trying to try out an uptrend, so we expect it to get to this region first. If it breaks out from there, then we expect it to do more by getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than selling opportunity, except if it breaks out below this support zone. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.